Ann from Dynamic Speech Solutions. Today we're going to be talking about questions to learn. My last blog I talked about how we updated it. We have some new features. I showed you a little bit about customizing a category of questions. And then at the end of the blog I said that I might be able to make a video of a child using it, show you some of the things that I do when I'm using the app. I don't hand them the app and say, here, do my app. It's a lot of teaching. It's a teaching tool that I use. And you'll listen to me. I'll be doing a lot of auditory prompting. I'll be doing some visual support, using some visual support, so visual cues. I'll be changing up the question to make sure he's attending. So you'll notice all these things. So I'm going to play the video, and then I'll talk a little bit about it afterwards. Okay, but first I want to show you my app a little bit. You go to pick a student. Select the student where you have the customized questions. Go down to the bottom and find customized questions, and then choose create new category. Then you need to go through each one of these steps. So when you're creating a category, you want to type in your category name. So if it's about a weekend or a trip, you type that in, and then you go through each one of these steps. So I'm not going to do that today because I've already done a video on that. But you put in your pictures, you do your recordings, and you always select save at the end. Then you can go and put more questions in, but just always touch save, and then you can change up the question. So look on my website at www.dynamicspeechllc.com, and you can see that I made a video on this. And then to get to that new category, you go over to question category, and you look at the bottom, and those are the ones that are new. So I see California. That's the one we're going to do today in the video. All right. So I'm going to close this out, and I'm going to show you the video. Okay, so here we go. Who questions and where? You want it there? Okay.
Yeah, right there for third grade.
Okay, good. Let's get going. So I'm going to find your name. There's your name. I'm going to make sure I'm on the right one, and we're going to get going.
Where did you go on your trip?
Where did you go on your trip, Evan? Okay, but it's a where question.
Legoland.
Oh, that's where you went. Is that where you went?
Yeah.
Okay, touch Legoland.
And there was me, and there was Daddy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Isn't that cool? You're in an
Yeah.
app. Can you find where you went? Where did you go?
Legoland.
Great job.
You did go to Legoland. I want to go to Legoland.
Okay.
And you went to California.
Yeah.
That's far away.
Yeah.
Wow. Are you ready for your next question?
What ride did you go on in the water?
What ride did you go on in the water?
Good answer.
You did. What was that ride?
The boat.
The boat.
That's me in the boat.
That's you, and who else? Who else is in the boat? Who else is in the boat? Can you see it?
That's my dad.
Your dad and you went in the boat? That's
Yeah.
fun. Okay, let's see the next one.
What ride did you ride at Legoland?
What ride did you ride?
Awesome.
You got it. What ride is that?
Like, let's go up and down.
Does it go up, up, and down, down, and then around?
No, it won't go round.
It just goes up and down?
Yeah.
Okay, can you sit like me so that we're not on top of our picture, okay?
Where did you see lots of animals?
Where did you go and see lots of animals? Oh,
Right answer.
where did you go to see animals?
At the
The
zoo.
zoo. What was your favorite animal?
My favorite animal was
Monkeys?
yeah, and the monkey was funny.
What did he do that was funny?
He do it.
Oh, he put his arms up.
Yeah.
Was he big or little?
Or he was little and big.
Oh, you had little and big monkeys there?
Yeah.
Did you feed them?
Yeah.
Or did you feed another animal maybe?
Yeah.
Sometimes you can feed animals, but sometimes you can't. Okay, next.
Who did you go to California with?
Who? Remember, who is a person. Who did you go with to California? Who?
Legoland or this one?
Yes, that's a person.
Super.
Who did you go with? I went with my mommy and
Daddy. And that's my brother.
what's your brother's name?
Mason.
You all went together. How
Yeah.
fun. Who did you go with? You went with your family.
Yeah,
Right?
and I wake so up and I go in the sky and see them.
Oh, goody. Let's see if there's any more questions.
What ride did you ride at Legoland?
We already did that one, but we'll do it again.
Awesome.
What's it called? Do you know the name of that ride?
Yeah.
Do you remember?
Yeah.
That's your favorite one?
That's nice.
Was it scary?
No, it's not scary.
Oh.
It is cool.
Fun? It was fun? Good.
What other ride did you go on?
What other ride did you go on? Do you see another one?
This one?
Is that a ride?
Yeah.
Look at it. Are you riding something? Are you riding something here? Yeah.
Great job.
You were riding in a carousel? Is that what those are called? Carousel?
Yeah.
What were you riding on?
I remember on this and Mason and my brother did ride on the horse dragon.
The big dragon? And which one were you riding on?
I'm riding on this one, the
What
police
is
car.
that? A what?
It's a police.
It looks like a horse. Is it a horse or a police?
It's a police horse.
Oh, a police horse. So you were the
Yeah.
policeman.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Where did you see seashells, sand, and water?
Where did you? Where?
Nice work.
Where did you see him?
At the beach.
You got to go to the beach too.
Yeah.
Did you find a seashell?
Yeah.
You did? Oh my
Yeah.
goodness.
I wish you could go to the beach and
I wish I could go. How was the water? Did you get in the water or just look at it?
I look at it.
Did you go touch it with your hand?
No.
No, you weren't. You didn't want to go in the water?
No.
Why? Because it was
Cold.
it a cold water? Yeah, California has cold water. Okay, so you can see how I use some of those techniques, those cues, prompting, repeating the question, then having him answer it because I didn't want him just touching the picture since he can answer it. He's practicing expressing that answer. I think that was probably all I needed to talk about. And hopefully this was helpful. Feel free to email me at slp@dynamicspeechllc.com. If you have any questions, you can also find us on Facebook. If you have any questions about the app or if you have any questions about this video, I would love to hear from you.